Welcome back to Rachel B. the Healthy Wee. Today I'm going to show you how to make an eggnog protein shake. I know we've passed the season of typical eggnog, but for me I don't really care because I happen to love the flavor and it's a pretty yummy one to have in your arsenal of protein shakes. So let's get started. So I'm going to start with 8 ounces or 1 cup. My particular measuring cup on my bullet, it has an ounce, so 8 ounces is 1 cup. I'm using almond milk. You can use any milk you'd like, be that goat, coconut, whatever works for you. Then we're going to go over our main ingredients and some optional ingredients to make it even creamier and yummy. So our main ingredients are going to be 1 small green banana that you cut up and freeze, so nice and frozen, going to give you some texture. You're going to do 1 to 2 tablespoons of a sweetener of your choice, depending upon how much you like and how sweet you like it. 1/4 cup of egg white protein powder, a scant 1/4 teaspoon of nutmeg, and 1 teaspoon of pumpkin pie spice. You're also going to do 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Now for our optional ingredients. I'm going to do 1 tablespoon of heavy cream, 1 teaspoon of egg yolk powder, and 1/2 teaspoon of rum extract. Again, those are optional, but they make it that much creamier. You can also add a 1/2 cup of ice if you'd like a more thick shake-like consistency rather than just a smoothie. I'm just going to dump everything in here and then we're going to give it a whirl and I'll show you what it looks like when we're done. So on my particular Ninja, I have a smoothie setting, but just so you know, it's about 50 seconds of blending. So let's get that started. All right. Now my particular Ninja has a lid, so I usually just put a lid on this and drink it. But I'll pour some out so you guys can see how thick and yummy it is. Like I said, if you did some ice, you would get an even thicker, more shake-like consistency and you'd have an eggnog shake. I personally like to keep protein powder in the house because I use it for baking, so I like it unflavored. So it's really nice to have some of these recipes on hand whenever I actually want to have a protein shake. Give it a try. Hope you enjoy, and thanks for watching.